Good morning to all of you. Good morning, as it is 9th of August 2020, class 11th, subject economics. Our today's topic is calculation of standard deviation from mean deviation. So far as the question is concerned, the question is here: we are having a X series 20, 25, 35, 38, 42, 46, 52, and 56. What we are going to do, we have to calculate standard deviation from this series. So we have to take the first step, that is we have to make use of assumed mean. Here, in order to find standard deviation from this given series, we take 42 as assumed mean. The first step is, let us assume the mean here is 42. Yani the central mean is the median mean is 42. So the given series is 20, 25, 35, 38, 42, 46, 52, 56. Now the next step is that we have to find the deviation, the difference between the given series and the assumed mean. The given series is x is 20, assumed mean is 42. Now as for formula, it is x minus a, that means 20 minus 42 is equal to minus 22, 25 minus 42 is equal to minus 17, and so on. So in this way we get the difference of um, given series from the assumed mean. So when in this way, what we are going, we get the difference between the given series and the assumed mean. The next step is that we have to sum up, that we are going to calculate standard deviation. So we have to uh, calculate the difference. So the difference of these will be, it is d square, means d square, the difference what we obtained from x minus a, that is minus 22. When we multiply minus 22 minus 22 times, we get 448. When we multiply 17 times, we get 289, and so on and so forth. And the sum of this, firstly what we get, sum of deviations, that was minus 12, and the total of the sum of the difference square, d square, which we obtained was 1210. Now as for the formula is that standard deviation is equal to root of sigma d square over n minus sigma d whole square over n. One is sigma d square over n minus sigma d whole square over n. Then what is sigma d square? What we obtained here is 1210 upon 8 minus 144 upon 64. So the third step is that we have to find the difference. The difference is, we have to divide 1210 by 8. We obtain 151 point decimal 25, and we have to divide 144 by 64. We obtain minus 2.25. When we when we um, the third last step is that when we find the difference here, the difference is 1.25 minus 2.25 is equal to root of 149. Root of 149 is equal to 12.20, is equal to 12.20. So 12.20 will be the answer for it when we calculate standard deviation by taking the step of assumed mean. So this is how we calculate or how we find standard deviation from the given series. Now, which step we have to take? First step is that we have to take the formula sigma d square over n minus sigma d whole square over n. By applying this formula, we can obtain the desired or the required result. Okay, and this much is enough for today.